Hi friends, my name is Usmansheikh, and in this lecture I am going to configure the access list, standard access list of the routers. You can see I have a scenario having two routers, and these two routers are connected to each other directly via serial cable. So first of all, for this purpose I will configure the basic configuration of the routers. You can see now, enable configuration terminal interface serial 0/0. Now shared IP address 1.1.1.1.255.0.0.0. Enter clock rate. I have to put clock rate over this interface because it is DCE interface. Now I'm going to configure the loopback interface over this router. And loopback interface a logical reserve interface, and you can use it for LAN purpose in future. And its command is interface loopback. You can press tab to complete the command. 0 IP address anyone like as 3.3.3.3 255.0.0.0.0. Enter, exit. Now the next router and configure the basic configuration of the router. Enable configuration terminal interface serial 0/0. Now shared IP address 1.1.1.2.255.0.0.0. Enter and exit. Interface loopback 0 IP address anyone 4.4.4.4.255.0.0.0. Enter, exit. So you can see I have to configure two of interfaces on each router. So first of all I will go to router 1 and check its routing table. Show IP route. You can see it's showing this directly connected routes 1.0.0.0 having the route 1.1.1.1 and 3.0.0.0 having the IP address route of loopback interface 3.3.3.3, but the routing table not showing the loopback interface of this router 4.4.4.4 having the ID 4.0.0.0 because the loopback interface of this router is not connected to this router directly, that's why it's not showing. Similarly on this router you can see that is showing the directly connected interface, and 3.3.3 having the ID 3.0.0.0 is not showing in its routing table. So for this purpose, to complete the routing table over the routers, I will advertise the directly connected interfaces of the routers via any one of the dynamic protocol. For this purpose you can use any one of the dynamic protocol like as RIP, EAGRP, OSPF, RIP version 1, RIP version 2. So for this purpose I will use the RIP, I will use EAGRP and to advertise is directly connected routes to complete the routing tables of the routers. So configuration terminal router EIGRP1, and I will advertise a directly connected route 1.0.0.0. Enter, network 3.0.0.0. Enter, exit. Now the next router and check. Now on the next router and apply the dynamic routing protocol over this interface, over this router configuration terminal router EIGRP 1 is the process ID and must be same over all the routers, and advertises directly connected routes 1.0.0.0 and second directly connected route 4.0.0.0. Enter, exit. Now check the routing tables over the routers. First of all I will go to router 1 and check its routing table. and show IP route, and you can see the third missing route of this router on this router is advertised via EIGRP. Showing the routing protocol is EIGRP and missing route is advertised here. Okay, I'll check by ping either is it available or not. Ping 4.4.4.4, and you can see that it's pinging 100%. Now the next router and check its routing table and see whether the missing route is available in its routing table or not. Okay, show IP route, and you can see the third route is advertised here with the help of EIGRP. So check the availability, ping 3.3.3.3 and enter. You can see it's pinging 100%. And I will carry on my lecture in my next video, and I will apply standard access list over these routers, and I will put the commands of access list, standard access list over the routers to complete the lab. Thanks for watching and stay with us.